There's nothing like the feeling of dragging something home from the weeds and building something that looks like this. So we got the carpet in, gauges, new steering wheel. Peace out.
Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo.
You know what? I think he's gonna whack.
He looks really good with a Teletubby in front of him.
With a what? With a what in front of him? Are you okay? Hey, you're on film right now, you know. A what? What?
You look like a Teletubby. Oh, I love you.
Here's my sign, I mean.
I can't
Walmart.
look at you.
We're family friends.
I know, but I'm gonna pee my pants.
Classic Truck Rescue. Jamie and I are taking you with us on a quick trip to pick up some parts. I have an old friend named Jack who's got a really cool truck, which is why I brought the camera. And we're gonna drop in and pick up some old wheels that he doesn't need that someone else will need. They're getting hard to find, the 55 to 59 Chevy and GMC stock rims with the 3 clips on them for the hubcaps. We're gonna get a set of those, and his truck's old factory AM radio with a cracked glass. The radio works, but the glass is cracked. I can get the glass. I get parts like this.
You have arrived. Where?
You take a right here. I get parts like this so I can put them back into circulation for guys that need them. A lot of guys call me when they finish their projects. We'll be right back. This is awesome, folks. These are 16-inch factory rims for 55 to 9 Chevy and GMC trucks. And that's good. And they got the super road traction old school mud tires, but these will be perfect on my Ram Jam truck, my 59 Chevy Napco 4-wheel drive. It's got that that smell that I haven't run in a million years smell going on. Make sure I'm neutral. Do need to be lubricated just a little. It's actually hanging up on the floor. I could hear the disc. Wonder when's the last time this guy took a drive. I just want to see if the tranny and rear end and all that works. But while we're here, America, this is what we want to look at. Any chance we get to look at a beautiful truck like this,
The color.
we definitely want to do that. This is Jack's baby. How long did it take you to build this, Jack?
2 years.
2 years. And he built it exactly like he wanted it. I did a full video on this truck. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description. We're not going to make him drag it out again. Look, Frenched antenna and everything.
The color.
Yeah. Oh, Jamie loves gray. And of course that beautiful all chrome 55 GMC front end.
Oh yeah.
That's my absolute favorite front end on any truck. Look at that, just beautiful. You say you were getting ready to go somewhere with it, Jack?
No, I went yesterday.
Oh.
Almost out to Dodge Park.
Yeah? How far'd she go?
Out there and back.
Yeah, out there and back, okay.
I'll give my phone, I'll show you some pictures. This guy had a collection of cars you would not believe.
Where's Dodge Park?
Around past Sandy.
Oh, past Sandy.
Oh, boring.
Oh, okay.
Wow, what a beautiful truck.
I thought somebody houses up. Just got there piece of property and he had a big old building on it, was T-shaped. Inside were all these old classic cars.
All restored.
All these hot rods and stuff.
Well, Jack asked me if I was interested in an old cabinet, and he showed us this. It's been in his family for 100 years, and I said, "Oh, you can't give that to us, Jack. That you can get some money for that." And he said, "If you want to give me money for it, you can give it, but I'm not trying to get any. I'm trying to give it to you." That's pretty nice. I don't know what we'll let this be the decision maker right here. Is that something that you would put in the house somewhere? Think about
I
it.
think so, don't you?
Well, I think it's pretty neat. I think it's pretty cool that he's got the keys for
I did
it.
an
and
office or doing paperwork or something like
Yeah,
that.
it's an old secretary.
I mean, it's used and everything.
Jamie
And I
likes to sand stuff.
Paint on it, so you.
Yeah, you know what Jamie's favorite pastime is?
I love to refinish furniture.
Wow, you're kind of helping me out here, Jack, because
Well,
Jamie, when she gets a little treasure once in a while,
but I would put a piece of
I would think you
metal
could fix
back
that.
there to protect it.
And
And
a little bit of
clean it up and
wood
reglue
putty
it.
and sand it down.
But it locks up and
I
everything.
put a
That's
piece
cool.
of- Deal with a couple.
And you say it has a metal tag on the back?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. I don't think it's metal, but
These are little tin tags.
oh yeah, I see it. It's clear over on the other side. I got it. I got it. I'm getting a zoom on it right now. Okay. And there's also a paper tag. Okay.
Yeah, I sanded this all down and repainted it. I wanted to put a Sinclair on it.
That is
I couldn't
neat.
quite find a Sinclair dinosaur, so I ended up.
What'd you do? Get stickers for that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Guy
neat.
sent me
It
a bunch of
looks
stickers,
great.
so I made Texaco out of it.
That's cool. You can restore
I have
yours.
3 or 4 of these.
Yeah.
Now I know what they need to look like.
I had it all sandblasted and everything else, and
What is this? Is this an old lathe?
that's a lathe.
Wow.
I bought that off a guy for $200, and I used it a little bit. And
It's probably a lot easier to use than.
it's multi-speed just by changing the belt.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to start getting rid of some of my tools.
Yeah.
I'll be 79 this year.
Oh, you're still young.
And
You got. A
I
long
got
way to
trimmers.
All he wants to do now is drive that truck
go.
around.
Yeah.
No. My
Hoffman
wife,
Garage. What's the story behind that, Jack?
that's the guy who used to own this house.
Oh. And he built this shop onto the side of
Oh,
it?
look,
Yeah.
it's got so you can.
There's
Pull
the
your vehicle.
hoist,
Yeah.
and there's a front hoist up there.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And this is a project for the guy who did body work on my truck.
Mm-hmm.
For a bid for a truck of his.
You're doing the bedwood.
Yeah.
Did you do your own bedwood in your truck?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I got to take another look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, Jack did his own bedwood. I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to pick that up.
Yeah, that gray is beautiful. That's the color I want to vert.
That's beautiful.
I have a silver SL500 that I want to put that color on.
Is that your fill for your gas tank?
Yeah.
Does the nozzle fit in there, or do you have a funnel?
You unscrew that. Don't push down.
Oh, okay.
Unscrew.
All right.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, that is cool.
Wow.
That's pretty neat.
Jiminy Cricket.
Starts up pretty good, huh? What'd you say this has in it? It's been a while since we did the video, Jack.
350.
350? Sounds pretty good. Got a little cam in there, huh?
Wow.
What a
I was
beauty.
having a lot of
Oh, look
problems
at that.
starting it,
Mm-hmm.
and I got 2 fuel pumps from
A garbage man or a
international junk dealer.
finally I sent off the catalog and got one. And
No
it's when
bueno.
starting to
What
do-
kind did you go with?
What?
Do you know what brand it is? The fuel pump.
No.
Oh.
Forget I asked, huh?
But I put the insulation down and put this vinyl flooring on it.
Man, this truck is just beautiful.
What do you call these wheels?
They were something 47s, Eagle 47s, and they don't make them anymore.
I don't think I've ever seen a wheel like that.
Got them at America's.
6 lugs.
Yeah,
You still got the factory rear axle in this?
yeah. Front disc brakes.
Front disc brakes. Are the front 6 lug as well?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Get the discs off a truck?
I bought a disc system off
Oh.
of
Gotcha.
a deal.
All right, Jack, you said you had some hubcaps you might want to sell.
Yeah, take it back there and bring it down.